Hello and welcome everyone. How is the camera looking? There, perhaps that's better. So this is an unboxing video before I have everything lined up here next to me for the shave, which I'm going to film straight after this. So an unboxing of shaving goodies. Are you crooked? I can't quite tell. That seems better. But there are some unshaving related products here, but they are all fragrance related. So let's just start up with the first one. By the way, let's have a look at the package here. Opened it up already to conserve some time. Alright, so the first one is one of my favorite scents from Floris. It's the Floris cefiro. It's an amazing, posh citrus scent. And look at the bottle it comes in. Beautiful, beautiful scent. Absolutely gorgeous. Perfect for a date night. So that's an UD toilet. So that's just sitting inside there. What else? Let's just go through the non-shaving related products, as I said. Alright, one more that's non-shaving related. Assuming there's some pollen or something like that in the air that's quite irritating my nose. GF Trumpers, and this is their Deodorant Stick. Their sort of signature scent, which is by the description also very citrusy. Let's see if we can. If you don't want to watch this, you can fast forward. I'm going to enjoy and open up the shaving stuff in a bit. But this scent also comes as a shave soap or a shaving cream, I think. Ooh, that's quite a lot. That's a nice citrus scent. A bit sharp, kind of on the sharp side, but still pleasant and nice. GF Trumpers. So if you didn't know, they also make deodorant sticks, and this one seems to be very good. Alright, now, all that's left in here is shaving stuff. Alright. That's it, yeah. First one, shaving stick. Speick. I believe it's from Germany. Opens up, looks like this. Comes out like this. Now, just off here, it has a kind of a sea salty scent, but perhaps that's different when it's not this up. Oh, and inside there's actually, if you can tell, in there there's a tree or flower, a spike flower. Spike, yeah. So, also kind of getting kind of a citrus note, but perhaps it's going to be completely different once I get the wrapper on, put it on the face and lather it. But that's a nice travel soap this as well. Alright, next. It's hot. Damn in here. I gave GF Trumpers and DR Harry's, I think, in a video, kind of a bashing because they use parabens in their shaving creams, and I just don't like that. But I'm going to try one. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Spanish leather. Oh, sorry, not leather. Leather. Spanish leather from GF Trumpers. Sample pack. 1 gram of shaving cream. And I think this is glass. Let's see if we can give it a short whiff. Supposed to be close to imperial leather, this. Yeah. Alright. This to me actually smells very close. Very, very close to the soap that I have called British Leather from Extra Cosmetics. Yeah, almost identical scent. in my experience, in my perception. All right, let's see what else we have here. Now the rest is sort of themed. All right, always want to try this from Mule shaving puck. This hard puck soap, and this one is kind of a unique scent in my sort of honest opinion, humble honest opinion. It's grapefruit and mint. It says so right here at the bottom there, grapefruit and mint. Nice sort of illustrations here on the sides. Should we get it open? If we can. Opens up here at the side and then it kind of falls out. And the soap is here, locked away inside, and has no scent. Might be because it's wrapped in very nicely, and this is how it looks. Alright, so we're gonna do this, I think. And this. Back in one place. Alright, so we're gonna give that a try. Also got the matching splash because I wanted to try out Mule Splash, grapefruit and mint, and there is a slight mentholation in these on the ingredients list. That's where it is. This is how it looks. Glass bottle. Oh, that's glass. Same sort of artistic arts here as on the box. Same kind of color. Slight difference, but I think it's supposed to be the same. That's how it goes. Oh, that's strange. It smells kind of peppery, but yeah, perhaps it's going to be different once it's on the skin. But right off the bat, it kind of smells peppery. And you know, grapefruit, that might be giving it a sharpness, because to me grapefruit smells like a very bitter orange, but still in the citrus verse. But they can be quite bitter, but to be as bitter as to smell peppery, I don't quite know. So quite interested to see how that's going to bear out. Now the last one, I looked at this and I just couldn't stop. I could not buy it. Once I had the other, let's see if there's nothing else in here, right? Nothing we're missing. It's the last piece. Yeah. A brush from Mule as well. And you could tell right here at the bottom. So you could store the brush in this. It will still need to washing, but alright, it comes up. Oh, you have to open it up like this. And it is synthetic, do not worry. Comes with instruction sheet here. Don't need that. And it looks like this. The band here, we can take that off. Doesn't say anything, no, just made in Germany. Mule. Yeah. Actually kind of heavy compared to what I thought. A 21 millimeter knot, so a small knot. So it would be a great travel. So this is actually a good travel set, really. It has plastic here at the bottom that you can remove. We're going to do that. There you go. See the camera? Alright. Well, that's it. Doesn't seem to have a strong backbone or anything, but it seems like in this column comes in petroleum blue. And they actually make a stand that fits it like this. I didn't get that because they also make it paired up with a cartridge razor. Seems like a nice soft brush. And the stand here It's what makes it heavy. Lovely fibres. Seems like a good brush. Be happy to use it. So that's it. Just be cleaning it out. I'll be tucking all these new stuff away, and prepare for the shave. And I'll see you, hopefully, in the next video in a few minutes.